Hello guys, welcome back to Wire Network. This article will take you through the steps needed to create and establish an OpenVPN server with your TP-Link router. OpenVPN is a free VPN service that allows you to remotely access your home network from anywhere with an open internet service. OpenVPN is a multi-platform service that works with both Android and iOS operating systems, allowing you to access devices and services in use through your router. Step 1. Access your TP-Link router via web browser. Next, log into your router using your password. Before you start, it is essential to verify that your router has a public IP address. Step 2. Click Advanced on the top navigation bar. Step 3. Click VPN. Then click on the OpenVPN. Next, check the Enable VPN Server box. Set the service type to UDP. Set the service port to 1194. Next, set the unused IP subnet for your OpenVPN server. Next, select Client Access as Internet and Home Network. Then click the Save button. In the Certificate section, click Generate to generate the certificate. Next, click on the Export button to export the OpenVPN configuration file. After this, we are switch over to the telecom network to check the OpenVPN connection. Next, launch the OpenVPN Connect on your PC. Go to Upload File section, then upload the OpenVPN config file you downloaded from the TP-Link router. Next, click Connect button. You are now connected to your home network via VPN. To verify, you can check the ping status of your router.